Meaning of fortuitous.
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 Fortuitous. The word fortuitous refers to something that happens by chance or luck, rather than by design or planning. It suggests a sense of unexpectedness and unpredictability. The result of a fortuitous event may be positive or negative, but it is always seen as being outside of one's control. For example, a fortuitous encounter with an old friend could lead to a great business opportunity, or a fortuitous mistake could lead to a scientific discovery. Overall, the word fortuitous implies a certain degree of randomness in how events unfold.